Good morning, this is Jackie from the Stitchin Post. Happy holidays, and I hope if they're coming up shortly, Christmas is right around the corner, and I wanted to go over some of the kits that we still have available here in the store. But beforehand, I want to wish you happy holidays and hope that you're spending them with your family and friends that you love and other people that are not in the area. Just think about them, maybe send them a card, maybe send them, I don't know, call them, text them, just get in touch with them. Very important this time of year. So we're going to start by some of our kits that we still have here in the store. They're all on our website. They've all been advertised at one time or another. We're going to start with, this is a little quilt called Rebel Without a Clause. We still have a few of these. You may not have time to finish it before Christmas, but you can always keep it in mind to get it done for next year. That's one of them. Then we also have Tula's Holiday Homies. This is actually a 10-inch square package. I'll put it up here. And I just cut them on the diagonal. And it is directional fabric, so I tried to make it so all of my fabrics were running directional, and that's why they're kind of little wonky quilt there, but I love it. It's flannel. This you can actually sew up in a day, so that's very doable. Then we have this little house quilt here. This is another one that would be a weekend job, maybe a big long day if you're a fast sewer. And we have little kits on that. They look like this. You can actually make these smaller and do placemats out of them if you wanted to. So, or even do cards if you wanted to. And then we still have our 2.5-inch strip rolls that you can do all kinds of strippy quilts with. These are holidays. All right. And that's about it for quilts. So now we're going to move over here to our little pick-me-up kits. These are little coasters. They're wool coasters. You get 4 in a package. And we still have those available. That would be easy to get done before Christmas. We have postcards. These are our little fabric postcards. And on the back here, well, this is a little upside down, but there we go. We also have packages of the hand-stamped backs for your postcards if you want to do that. You don't have to, but it's an option. Those are still available. That's something you could get done and get sent out. And then we have our pin cushion kits. This is a nice big 7-inch pin cushion. It's big, it's wool. That doesn't take very long. I actually buttonholed it on with the sewing machine, so it's very fast. And it's filled with crushed walnut shells. We have those also. Then we have our little gnome toppers. Oh, I'll show you this one. This is cuter. It's on a bottle of wine or sparkling cider or beer. This is what they look like. They're about 18 inches tall, about 18 inches tall from beard to top here. They come in a little kit, and the kit will actually do 6 of these, 6 heads. Comes with everything you need. That you can get done before Christmas. Then we also have our little improv tree kit, the little pot holders. You can make pot holders, you can make a table runner out of it, you can make a quilt if you want to. It's basically a little starter kit. That's what it has in there. See that? Okay. Then we also have some pillowcases. This one is Santa glamping. It's Christmassy, but it doesn't have to be because he's out there camping with his camper. And this one is called Alpine Village. It's Christmas fabric, but it doesn't really look Christmassy. Okay. Excuse me. Then I have one that is Forest Friends. And this could just be winter. So it's very, very cute. I like the skunks. They're my favorite. And then we have Surfing Santa. How's he looking on that side? Okay, he's there. Yep. This is what he does when Christmas is all over. Him and the reindeer go to Hawaii and have a good time. I want to go. He's very white. He needs a tan. I need to go to Hawaii with Santa. Oh, and then we do have our these are little wool balls, and you can make them into little candies if you want to. I made them into like little Starburst candies. We had some little ones, but we're out of those right now. We are getting some more in, but right now we have the big ones, and they actually make great little decorations. And when you order these, they come with a free pattern on how to actually make them. You have to get them wet, squish them down so they get kind of flat, and then you can do the little red pearl cotton around the outside of it. And that pretty, oh, now we also do have, we have our fabric, which is getting very, very low. And then we do have blended wool felt on the bolt. So if you're looking for, like the the gnome heads are made out of this. So, and you can do gift bags out of that. There's all kinds of things you can do with it. The little socks that we are out of also. But that's it. If you see something here that you like and you don't actually want to make it, jump over to the employee boutique, because some of these items have already been pre-made. So you have that option too. And I think that's it. I just want to say happy Christmas and have a wonderful new year. Thank you very much.